Number 1.
1984 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,800, well-preserved classic pickup with 100,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with its original 305 V8 engine, paired to a 700R4 automatic transmission that has been recently and completely rebuilt, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The truck drives strong and maintains its vintage character, making it a solid choice for classic truck enthusiasts. The exterior is finished in a classic gray color and is in overall good shape for its age. Like many vehicles of this era, it has some rust in the usual trouble spots, specifically along the rocker panels and cab corners. The power windows still function, though they operate a bit slowly, and the gas gauge is not entirely accurate. Despite these minor issues, the truck benefits from brand new tires and brakes all the way around, adding to its roadworthiness and safety. With its classic styling, rebuilt drivetrain, and mostly original condition, the Silverado would make an excellent weekend cruiser or an ideal starting point for a full restoration.
Number 2.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It features a manual transmission with a 3-speed on-the-tree shifter, paired with a strong 350 V8 engine and a 12-bolt rear end. The truck has a blue exterior and a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. It comes with a clean title and a solid frame, making it a great foundation for a restoration project. While the body does have some rust, it's not too severe. There are a few dents and scratches, and the truck will need bodywork, interior restoration, and a new paint job to bring it back to top condition. Some new interior parts have already been installed, and it also has new rims and tires. However, the brakes are not functional, so it will need to be towed as it cannot currently be driven. Despite these issues, the truck includes many new parts, too many to list.
Number 3.
1978 Ford F150, price $10,000. The odometer shows 80,000 miles, but the true mileage is unknown. Under the hood, it's powered by a Lincoln 351 Windsor V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission that's been upgraded with a shift kit for smoother and quicker gear changes. This truck has its share of age-related wear, including some visible rust in window seals that need to be replaced. However, it starts up, runs strong, and drives as it should.
It's registered and tagged through 2026, making it ready for the road.
Despite its imperfections, this F-150 offers a great foundation for restoration or can be enjoyed as is for anyone who appreciates vintage trucks with character and a powerful drivetrain.
Number 4.
1988 GMC 1500, price $7,000, with 200,000 miles and an automatic transmission, powered by a strong small-block Chevy V8.
The blue exterior was recently repainted and treated with a wipe-on clear coat.
A second clear coat is on the way to improve the finish, or the next owner can take that on if preferred. The matching blue interior is in great condition. Recent upgrades include a new fuel pump, flex plate, die-hard battery, spark plugs, and rewired ground connections. It also features a new map sensor, 180 degrees thermostat from Summit Racing, and a new motor for the passenger window. This truck rides on brand new 31 by 10.5 all-terrain tires with American racing rims and new chrome wheel caps. A custom dual exhaust adds a great sound, and lowering shackles for the rear are included to level the stance.
Number 5.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, featuring a strong small-block Chevy 355 engine paired with a Holley 750 double-pumper carburetor and a cam that delivers an aggressive, throaty sound. Backing the motor is a TH350 automatic transmission with a 2,500 RPM stall converter, offering solid performance on the street or strip. The truck sits on a Ford 8.8 rear end equipped with 3.73 gears, providing excellent power delivery and traction. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, this S10 has seen relatively light use and remains in great condition. It features a black exterior, a gasoline-powered drivetrain, and a custom 15-gallon fuel cell mounted in the bed. The true dual exhaust system with 40 series Flowmaster mufflers gives the truck a deep, aggressive rumble.
Number 6.
1995 Dodge Ram 3500, price $7,500, powered by a V10 Magnum gas engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 148,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives, though it currently needs a replacement engine control module, which has already been professionally diagnosed. Documentation is included. The truck features a striking red exterior with a tan interior and rides on tires that are still in great shape. Recent maintenance includes new catalytic converters, a new coil pack, new spark plugs and wires, and a new fuel pump. It holds a clean title under the current owner's name and is registered under non-operational status, meaning there are no back fees due.
This Dodge Ram is an excellent candidate for towing or utility work once the ECM is addressed. Number 7.
1999 Ford F-150, price $3,500, one-owner pickup with a clean title and 175,000 miles.
It's finished in classic white with a clean gray interior and comes equipped with an automatic transmission.
Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable V8 gasoline engine, making it well-suited for daily tasks, hauling, or your next project. The truck starts right up, shifts smoothly, and drives with confidence. While the air conditioning is currently not functioning, the price reflects that, offering great value overall. Inside, the cabin is simple, comfortable, and roomy, built for functionality and everyday use. The spacious bed adds versatility, perfect for carrying tools, equipment, or materials with ease. Well maintained and thoughtfully used since new, this F-150 remains a solid and practical choice for anyone in need of a trustworthy workhorse.
Number 8.
1994 Ford F250, price $8,500. This truck is a factory turbo IDI diesel with 165,000 original miles. It has a brown exterior, tan interior, and an automatic transmission. Originally from Colorado, it's rust-free, accident-free, and currently with its third owner. Performance upgrades include ARP head studs, a Conestoga diesel Baby Moose injection pump, upgraded turbo, Diamond I 4-inch exhaust, Comp 910 valve springs, and a built E4OD transmission with a 6.0L power stroke cooler. It also features Bilstein shocks, airlift airbags, and Cooper Discoverer tires. For towing, it's equipped with a trailer brake controller and autometer gauges for trans temp, water temp, oil pressure, EGT, and boost.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, powered by a strong 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It's a rear-wheel drive setup that offers smooth performance and durability. The truck features a green exterior and a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. It has been well maintained with regular oil changes every 5,000 miles, and it holds a clean title. The interior has been upgraded with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, along with a 10-inch subwoofer for an enhanced audio experience, making it comfortable and modern for daily use. The current owner had removed the exterior trim intending to apply bedliner paint to the lower half of the truck, but the project was never completed. Additionally, the toolbox in the bed may be included with the right offer. Number 10. 1996 Toyota T100, price $3,800, with 154,000 original miles on the body and only 65,000 miles on the replacement 2.7L inline-4 engine, making it a great option for those seeking a durable classic pickup. It comes with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience, and is finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and classic look. The truck runs and drives well, showing no major mechanical issues. It is a 2WD model with a clean title, and several important maintenance updates have already been completed, including a new radiator, new water pump, and new spark plugs.
It also has a new battery with a 1-year warranty, adding extra peace of mind for the new owner.